Hey there, Mary. This is Brandon again from Sublime SEO Pro, and I am going to show you guys 3 ways how you can get your website ranking higher than your competitors. So when we type in plumbers in Aurora, this is what it looks like. So we've got your map pack here, we've got your Angie's List here, and then we've got plumbers in Aurora, Brothers Plumbing. So Brothers is right now currently at the top spot on the organic search. And I'm going to compare their website to your website and show you some analytics on why that is the case and how you can beat them out. Okay, so you're probably wondering why I'm even shooting this video for you in the first place. And I realized a while ago that there are a lot of small business owners out there that are so busy running their company and taking care of their customers and their employees that they just do not have the time to learn how to do this and to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing that's really stopping them from going out and hiring somebody is that they don't know who really is an expert and who is not. So I've started sending out an attack plan to show small business owners and just giving them away for free. Now, some people take this info and they do it themselves. And other people call me back and they say, you know what, Brandon, I like you. I just don't have the time to do this or the tools or know-how. Can you help me do it? Whatever you decide to do with this is okay with me. My only goal is that you learn from this and that it can help you make some more money. Okay. So I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So the first thing I'm going to go over is content. So content is king when it comes to ranking websites in Google, and the average homepage on a website on Google has about 1,500 words on it. So I copied and pasted your front page into this word counter, and it looks like you guys are at 721 words on your front page. So that's the first step. Get that up to at least 1,500 and 2,000 if you can. But the most important thing is the actual content itself, not the number of words. So what you need to do is place as many buyer intent keywords as possible into your website. So a buyer intent keyword is a very specific word that is commonly, or phrase that are commonly searched for when people are looking for your services. Okay, so what I've done is I've pulled up your data analytics right here. Here's your website, and it's showing you guys have 3,400 keywords throughout your entire site, which is great. That is a great step in the right direction. So let's take a look at your top competitor, Brothers. Their website right here, they have 6,500 keywords versus your 3,500. And as you can see, you guys are generating about this much traffic per month, which may be low. Oftentimes these numbers are not reported accurately. It can be 2, 3, 5 times this amount. But you're at 1.4K and they were at 15K. Okay, so again, take these numbers with a grain of salt. It's just all kind of relative. But the first thing you can do is go into all these keywords that they're using and figure out which ones have buyer intent. So these are, good. They're not bad, but this person could be searching for a business to work for example. It doesn't necessarily mean they need the service. How much water should drip to keep pipes from freezing? That has a lot of search volume, but people searching that are not going to buy from you. Okay, so that's what you need to do is go through this entire list of keywords that they have, figure out which ones have buyer intent, and submerge them into your site and rewrite your site so that all of these are grammatically flowing. Okay, and you can also save your pictures in here as keywords as well. Aurora Plumbing, Denver Heating and AC Repair. Okay, so that's good. You've got that one's already saved. So that's a trick that a lot of people don't know about. So that's good. The second thing I'm going to show you are what we call backlinks. So a backlink is any link on another website that can link and drive traffic back to yours. So these can be blog posts, they can be a number of different things, but you want to make sure that you have relevant and trustworthy backlinks, because Google knows if you're linking yourself to a trustworthy, relevant site. It can't be a Pizza Hut because they know you're not in the food industry. It needs to be other plumbers, other HVAC companies, insurance companies, restoration companies, things like that, okay? So you guys have 1,200 backlinks coming from 437 different domains, and your top competitor here has 2,500 backlinks compared to your 1,200 coming from 442 domains. So again, what you can do is go into their backlinks and figure out which ones are competitive, or are relevant. So this one looks relevant, and you can go in and you can list yourself in here and create a link just like all these companies have done. So you want to do that, make sure you beat out their number of backlinks and make sure they're all relevant and trustworthy. Just because they're beating you in backlinks doesn't necessarily mean that they're all good backlinks. They're not all created equal, okay? But I think the biggest thing that's generating the most traffic for them are their keywords. They're doing a great job with that. But if it's working for them, you can make it work for you. You just have to beat them out and get the right ones in there, okay? The last thing I'm going to go over with you is how to get listed here in the map pack. And the reason why I chose Plumber instead of HVAC and Aurora instead of any other cities is just because your website is plumbing and it says in Aurora right here. So I just took your biggest keywords and placed them in Google. And here's what we find. Brothers Plumbing's right here. And we want to get you in here as well. So the way you do that is to cite yourself in as many directories as possible and get yourself as many Google reviews as possible. Create a Google My Business account and link them all together. Now, so I would find out how many directories these guys are listed in and list yourself in more of them. So a directory is anywhere you can place your business name, phone number, and address, like Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, Angie's List, for example. Okay, so you want to do that and beat out this top spot there as well. So if you can do those three things, you will rank on the front page of Google in a matter of time. If it's working for these companies, it will work for you. They've done most of the hard work for you, okay? So you can do two things with this info. You can run with it on your own, and the sooner you get started, the sooner you'll get more business from your online presence. If you have questions or concerns or feedback, I would love to get together with you and figure out a way that I can help. If you guys are trying to scale and grow and need more business, this is a great way to get it done. Okay, so let me know if I can help you guys in any way, and I appreciate your time watching this video, and I hope it was valuable to you. Thanks so much.